Is the empire of one of the Caribbean's most iconic billionaires on the verge of a massive shakeup? Michael Leachin, the chairman of NCB Financial Group, has officially missed a crucial $94 million bond payment deadline. Now, the clock has run out and the creditors are reportedly headed to the Supreme Court. The stakes? Control of Jamaica's largest financial institution. Today, we're breaking down exactly what happened, why this bond matters, and if Leachin is about to lose his grip on NCB. Before we proceed, if you want more videos like this, please hit that like and subscribe to the channel right now. It will really help our community grow. Plus, you will receive notification when we release more content like this in the future. Now, December 31st, 2025 was supposed to be the day Michael Leachin's AIC Barbados Limited settled a massive debt. We're talking about a $94.3 million bond. To put that into perspective, that is over 14.5 billion Jamaican dollars. This was not a surprise deadline, This was the final extension after a series of delays that have been dragging on for months. But as the new year rang in, the payments did not arrive. Now, the bondholders, who have been patient up to this point, are reportedly done waiting. Now, you might be asking, why does a personal or corporate debt of Michael Leachin matters to NCB shareholders? Here is the kicker, the collateral. To secure this $94 million loan, AIC Barbados used its crown jewel, millions of shares in NCB Financial Group. Specifically, we are talking about roughly 430 million shares. If Leachin cannot pay the cash, the bondholders have the legal right to go after the security. If they seize those shares, Leachin's majority ownership and his absolute control over the NCB empire would vanish overnight. This is not just a late fee. This is a fight for the keys to the kingdom. Because the deadline was missed, the trustees for the bondholders are now moving to the Supreme Court of Jamaica. They are seeking a declaration that a default event has occurred. Once the courts confirm this, it paves the way for a receiver to be appointed. Now, a receiver's job is simple. Take the assets, sell them, and pay back the creditors. If that happens, those 430 million NCB shares could be dumped on the market or sold to a new institutional investor. Now, that would be the biggest shift in Jamaica's corporate history in decades. Michael Leachin is a billionaire on paper, but as the saying goes, cash is king. For the last 2 years, Leachin has been in harvest mode, trying to sell off assets to create liquidity. He's been trying to sell his stake in the Grand Caribbean resorts and other regional assets. The problem? These are massive deals that take time, and in a high interest rate environment, buyers are not moving as fast as he needs them to. He's essentially in a race against time, and right now, time just won. So what does this mean for you, the investor? First, we have to distinguish between the bank and the shareholder. NCB Bank itself is a regulated, profitable entity. Your deposits are safe. However, the stock is a different story. If 430 million shares are suddenly involved in a legal battle or a forced sale, it creates massive overhang. Investors get nervous when the majority owner is under financial pressure. We have already seen the stock price struggle over the last year, and this news is like pouring gasoline on a fire. So, is there a way out? Leachin is known for his prosperity through crisis mantra. There is still a slim chance that he could secure a last-minute refinance deal or announce a major asset sale in the coming days to satisfy the court. But the window is closing, and for the first time, the billionaire of the Caribbean is truly backed into a corner. This is a developing story, and we'll be watching the Supreme Court filing very closely. But I want to hear from you. Do you think that Michael Leachin will find the cash at the 11th hour? Or is this the end of an era for his control of NCB? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, do me a favor. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Caribbean business and financial updates. Click the link on screen now to watch another Jamaican financial content. Catch you in the next video.